Okay, so copy this theorem down. Oops, did we stop the video? Hope not. No, video's still going. All right, start talking. La, 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 la. Okay, what are we saying here? If you have a function defined from A to B, and it's continuous, okay, so you can draw it without lifting your pencil. So it's doing something like that, or maybe it's doing something like this. Okay, what it's not doing is it's not doing something like, you're not having a vertical asymptote or something. It's not shooting up to infinity or down to minus infinity. Okay, it's a reasonable continuous function. Okay, so what this theorem is saying is that the absolute min and the absolute max are going to be achieved by the function. The function is actually going to hit its absolute max, and it's actually going to hit its absolute min on the closed interval. Okay, it may happen at an endpoint. Okay, you may have a abs min or an abs max at an endpoint, but it's going to happen. Okay, you're not going to have a situation like, where you have A over here, B over here, and your function is doing something like this, because this is not a continuous function over here. Okay, so I think that's I don't want to say obvious, but it's natural enough. I guess it gives us a method for optimization. Okay, if we're looking for the absolute max and the absolute min of a function, it's going to occur, these things are going to occur either at, well, a critical point or at an end point. Okay, A or B. So those are the two possibilities for a continuous function on a closed interval, A and B. Okay, so this is summarized in the closed interval method. So how do you optimize a function? Okay, lots of people want to optimize functions. You can think of um, a business owner wanting to optimize profit. So this is very applicable. So pause the video, copy this down, but the main details are what I just said. Okay, we're going to look at all the critical numbers, and we're going to look at the endpoints. Okay, those are the only two places we have to look if we're looking for absolute max and absolute min. Okie dokie. So let's do an example. Find the absolute extrema. Okay, this is just a fancy way of saying abs max, absolute min of f of x is equal to 2x minus 1 to the third root of x. And f is awful. F of x.